IDFC First Bank Vijay Hazare Trophy 25-26, the penultimate round of the group matches. Kerala taken Pondicherry.
Please give it a spin.
Heads.
Heads is the call, and tails it is. Ron, please come.
Bowling first, sir.
Yeah, main batter for Pondi. Look at that average that he has. It's still early days, 8 games so far. Angeyan, Ajay Rohera. Also in his 14th game, so 16, that can get better. He's better than that. Ball one of this very important clash. It's beautiful, it's very nice, but it won't bother the batter. First runs here for Pondicherry, and some mighty good ones too. A little bit of chance to free the hands. You cannot give batters of this caliber room outside off stump. Yeah, just a little bit of room given, and beautifully using the pace of the ball. So much better. So much better. Even though it's gone for 4. Short ball. Little bit of a nitticker. He's not happy, but he'll have to go. Another short ball, but this is gone all the way. Even if the third fielder was on the line, I reckon he would have been just a bystander.
शॉट डिलीवरी, संपर्क कमाल का और 6 रन आते हुए 50 रन पूरे हुए पौंडीचेरी के इस 6 रन के साथ। हेलमेट को छूता गया, लेकिन ये कमाल का 6।
Once again that hit, and this time it's off Eden Appleton. Another sixer from Jashwant.
Up in the air, but it's in the gap. He's purposely played that. Oh, wow. And he's reached his maiden 50 in List A cricket. Well, he's a player for the future, that's for sure.
अच्छी फ्लाइट, और यही बात कर रहे थे, फ्लाइट अंदर की तरफ आती हुई पूरी तरह से बीट होते हुए अजय रोहेरा, और अब खामियाजा भरते हुए।
Wow. That's also cleared long on. Stand and deliver, batting 1 of 5 and now 7 of 6. Good on you, Sivaraman.
And what a strike here. Been praising Jashwant once again on the onside. 6 number 4 for him this time of the left arm spinner. Up in the air. Soft dismissal there for Sivaraman. And that man Baba Aparajit is making it into a habit of picking up wickets.
इस बार गैप में मारा है, इस बार जशवंत ने मारा, और इसी के साथ अपना अर्धशतक पूरा करते हुए मात्र 50 गेंद में।
What a wonderful knock by Jashwant. Jashwant, Rajnikant, Sriram. Short ball, and bad news really continuing here for Eden Appleton. Wonderful striking by Jashwant. Outside edge, and just as we were harping on what a talent, a delightful catch there by Sanju Samson. The outside edge, it was travelling at a pace, but this wonderful glove man for Kerala pouching that important wicket. Come in, this time gets enough connection on that one. Amani tried to go deep in wicket of the previous over, Aparajit.
What a play he was. Oh, that's a gorgeous looking shot. That is an outstanding hit. 9 sixes in 31 overs. Gone. He doesn't need any help from anyone. On debut, he says, I will do this together. That's gone wrong. That was an armour. That's the one the hand drops. So from here, I've seen him bowl so much, I can make out. The moment the hand drops, that's the undercut.
कमाल का शॉट खेला, सीधे बल्ले से अच्छी क्रिकेटिंग शॉट। कदमों का इस्तेमाल, फील्डर वहां मौजूद, एक आसान सा कैच लॉन्ग ऑफ के हाथ में, श्रीवास्तव विकेट मिलती हुई। सीधे बल्ले के साथ एक बाउंस 4 रन के लिए।
Starts with a cutter. This could well be out. Up in there, yes, in easy catch. We were talking about another wicket. It wasn't in the last over, but this over, first ball, Nidhi strikes. Yeah, slower. Where is this gone? Another wicket, another catch.
Everybody got starts. Is there another one? Oh, different fielder Rohan Kunumal here. These are hand delivered, absolutely in your doorstep. Don't have to move.
आसान सा कैच लेते हुए और उदेशी फिर से अपने खेमे में वापस जाते हुए 2 बनाकर।
Mighty hit, mid wicket in play, mid wicket in play. It is. They don't drop catches. Mighty good hit, but Salman Nizar is a very, very good fielder.
भूपिंदर चौहान वापस जाते हुए 4 पे, पौंडीचेरी 247 में 10।
Close to 3,600, pretty healthy average. Strike rate never a problem for Sanju Samson. 11 sixes in his 100 previous match. 27-year-old Kerala skipper. 500s, a wonderful average of 45. He'll have the opportunity. The debutant Bhupender Chauhan, 31-year-old. We saw 30-year-old Viju Narayanan making his debut for Kerala. He'll be up and against Sanju Samson. Gentle loosener there.
बेहतर, यही बात कर रहे थे, स्लिप मौजूद है, बाहरी किनारा लगा, बाउंड्री आई।
Once again, I tried to follow him, exposing that stance. Ace of the bat, but here it's a bad delivery. Completely erring in length and line. Whipped past square leg for a boundary.
और यही मैं बात कर रहा था कि अब अच्छी जगह पर गेंदबाजी करते रहे, दूर डालते रहे संजू सैमसन से, दूर से खेलने की कोशिश, अंदरूनी किनारा और संजू सैमसन आउट।
Was that a catch? Made a hash of that. Really a dolly catch there. And to make things worse, crunches that past the offside ring. Boundary now for Baba.
ये लीजिए, कैचों की बात हम कर रहे थे, कहते कैच की जरूरत नहीं, गेंदबाज की यही सोच कि मैं सीधा विकेट पर मारने में कामयाब रहूंगा। ये पहला विकेट भूपिंदर के खाते में, डेब्यूटेंट है, पहला मैच खेल रहे। रन आएंगे वो भी 4 रन के रूप में।
Up in the air, and he shows one of that shot. Bottom hand coming off, but a result which will be mighty effective for Kerala. Once again, this is much better, that tail in, but a delightful clip there from Baba Prajit.
Yeah, that was always on the cards. In the power play, if it's a little fuller, only fault with this ball was it's probably a foot fuller than the previous ones.
ऐसे ही अब ये स्टंप के ऊपर का बॉल उन्होंने फिर से क्रॉस बैटेड शॉट खेला है और ये 6 रन मिलते हुए।
Today there was no need to go hammer and tongs, but this will go for 4. Again on the legs. Again gone for 4. Another one in the stands. How good is the sweep shot? How good is he for it? Wow, he's motoring. 46. Another one. Chance! 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 No! Over the square leg fielder. Hands on the hips. 50 for Vishnu Vinod. 17 of the over. Game on. 13 gone. 96 for 2. Oh, he says I'll go on the offside, but he's missed this one.
आखिरी गेंद पैर बाहर निकल के मारने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, लेकिन अच्छी तरह से चकमा दिया गेंदबाज को।
Now the bludgeoning will continue because there's no deep mid-wicket. Mid-wicket inside the circle. Mid-on inside the circle. Go and fetch the ball back.
Steps out, tongs it deep into the stands. What a hit, what a strike. cracking sound. Oh, look at that. Hit with a disdain. Crunch that pass long on for a boundary. Races on to 89 now, Vishnu. Long on interested. He tried to take the more tougher option into the 90s now. He does exactly that. Goes over mid-wicket. Hits it clean. And he'll get to it. It's been brutal. It's been magnificent by this man, Vishnu Vinod. Coming in at number 4. Getting his second century in this edition. Well played, Vishnu Vinod.
लेकिन यही शॉट दोबारा खेलने की कोशिश, बाहरी किनारा लगते हुए और 4 रन फिर से थर्ड मैन की दिशा में.
Whoa, welcome. 6 it is. Yeah, this time he's gone squarer. Whoa! Look at the audacity of the shot. Has it gone? Has it gone? Has it gone? He certainly has. This will go to the boundary as well. Vishnu Vinod, whatever he touches turns into 4 or 6. 26 gone, 204 for 2. Oh, another one. Another one crashing. A record for Kerala. He's broken his own record. He's sort of tied it with Kunuman and he says, I'm not done yet. Another one. We'll go for 4.
और इसी सिंगल से बाबा पराजित के 50 रन पूरे.
Yeah, third 50 of the season. Yeah, mid-on being inside. That has also gone for another 6. Look at his choosing. You know, his mid-on is inside the circle.
बहुत ज़रूरत है, लेकिन फिर से और एक बॉल आगे की तरफ और 150 रन पूरे विष्णु विनोद के.
Second Kerala cricket after Sanju Samson to get 150 in Vijay Hazare. Another one. Baba Parajit says, why not me? Another one. Flat 6, flat 6, flat 6 it is. Flat. Oh, it's 4. It's just cut the inside of the boundary.
अभी 2 रन जीतने के लिए, लेकिन विष्णु विनोद नहीं ले. अब बाबा पराजित ने ये विनिंग स्ट्रोक मारा है. 6 रन सागर उदेशी को अपने लास्ट डिलीवरी पे 6 रन मारते हुए बाबा पराजित अब 63 पे पहुंच गए. और केरला ने ये मैच बहुत लंबे 29 ओवर से जीत लिया है.